NOVITEC has introduced an extensive customization program for the Ferrari 12Cilindri Spider, featuring exposed carbon aerodynamic components, high-tech wheels, sports springs, and a high-performance exhaust system. The carbon package includes a front lip spoiler, side intake surrounds, hood components, rocker panels, mirror covers, a rear lip spoiler, and diffuser. NOVITEC says these components were developed with a focus on aerodynamic efficiency. The Spider receives NOVITEC NF12 forged wheels, developed with Vossen, measuring 21 inches at the front and 22 inches at the rear. Sport springs lower the ride height by approximately 30 millimeters. The exhaust system uses actively controlled butterfly valves and is available in stainless steel or INCONEL, with an optional 999 fine gold finish. NOVITEC also offers leather and Alcantara customization for the interior.